to locate survey and form answers. Surveys and forms are helpful tools that can connect you with your leads so you can understand how to improve your company's services or find out information about your contacts that you're working with. As an additional step, you can export the information and answers to Google Sheets and break down the data however you need. So here's how to locate your survey and form answers so that you can use this information however you need for your business. There's a couple of different options. The first option is to review the survey or form answers within a specific contact record. If you navigate to a contact record, on the left-hand side of the screen where you see their basic and general information, there is also a tab for additional information. Click into that additional information tab and you'll see their information and answers for any surveys or forms. Option 2 is to navigate to the form builder or the survey builder and view submissions for your forms and surveys. You can search by a contact, or you can view answers for a particular form or a particular survey, or you can even view by specific dates to see submissions over a specific period of time. So again, you can either view the form and survey answers within a specific contact record or within the form and survey section of your system based on a couple of different options over time periods or specific forms and surveys. It's as easy as that to be able to review the information, and you can do whatever you need to with that information to help you in your business. Congratulations, you're all set.